The most common question I receive is what cryptocurrencies to buy, which we cover together in this video you can check out by clicking on the link above. And here's the deal. In crypto, the name of the game is quite simply this, super straightforward. It's all about timing and luck because it's all about buying something low and hopefully, potentially, selling it higher later to someone else. It is a zero-sum game. For every winner, there is a loser. Whenever we make money, somebody else loses money. If you're here and watching this, you're already a degen, rolling the dice, pulling the slot machine, playing the roulette table. You are 1000% gambling money in a crypto casino on mostly useless tech. Some of it even created as a joke, hoping to sell it at a higher price than you bought it to another degen. So let's have some dignity and diversify our crypto investment strategies. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore a product that generates profit by capitalizing on the volatility of the crazy crypto market without staring at screens all day, called GoBabyTrade, a robotic crypto trader and money management system enhanced with AI. Let's hit it. Check it out. All forms of investing require us to take on some risk. Investing in crypto requires taking on a lot of risk. We are all competing against each other for the most part when it comes to trading altcoins, which is why it's so important to take advantage of every opportunity to have an edge in this market. And in my experience, GoBabyTrade gives us the ultimate crypto trading edge. Here's how it works. Basically, we connect our Coinbase account to the trader, select which cryptocurrencies we want it to trade, and then it does what seems, in my experience, over the past year, it's magic. Looking at the top traders over the past year, we can see that even a starting balance as low as $992 has taken over $1,209 worth of profit, a 122% gain overall. I've had an amazing experience with the trader. It's been a very interesting addition to my overall diversification strategy in crypto that was not available in previous market cycles. We've been getting a lot of great feedback from people who have been using it since we first explored it together back in August 2024. And as the markets have taken off lately, it's been performing crazy good. As crazy as it sounds, it's been like the holy grail of making passive profit in crypto. It literally doesn't require us to do anything. It's absolutely wild. So it's called GoBabyTrade, and it is a fully automated crypto trading and money management platform that is enhanced with AI, or artificial intelligence. Sure, there are a lot of so-called AI crypto trading bots on the market. However, there are two main differences between this crypto trading platform and all the rest of the bots. One, crypto trading bots function like tools that experienced traders use to help them actively trade cryptocurrencies, while GoBabyTrade functions like a set it and forget it crypto trading product that doesn't require us to actively trade or make any decisions about when to trade. And two, other crypto trading bots are using artificial intelligence that has been trained with trading data collected over just the past few years, while GoBabyTrade is enhanced with artificial intelligence that has been trained with over 24 years worth of trading data. How is this possible? Well, this product was originally developed for trading stocks on the stock market, and it was created by one of the first software engineers at Microsoft. So the stock trading product would execute automatic trades during market hours, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. minus holidays. And as we know, for the most part, stocks are not nearly as volatile as crypto. So profit-taking opportunities aren't as significant because if a stock is trading at, let's say, $10 per share, it may bounce around to like $9.50, $10.15, while in crypto, a token at the same price could easily skyrocket 10, 20, 100x, or drop 50, 80, 90%, all in one day. So check it out. A couple of years ago, one of the creator's friends suggested he create a version of his trader that trades cryptocurrencies because crypto is traded globally 24/7, 365, so it never stops. And the more upside volatility, the greater the profit-taking opportunities. So he applied his AI-driven trading technology to the crypto markets, and it's just been absolutely insane. So far in my experience, it's printing money. And what's interesting to understand is we don't necessarily need to choose projects based on their use cases, narrative, or anything for the most part. The trader automatically trades and takes profit as the price volatility fluctuates 24/7. It literally makes money while we sleep. In my experience, it works well with mid and smaller cap altcoins because they tend to be more volatile than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And that's how the trader works. It capitalizes off of the price volatility of cryptocurrencies. And what's great is on the trader, under the menu, there is an option to see the cryptocurrencies with the highest trade counts, meaning the cryptocurrencies that the trader executed trades on the most over the past year, as well as the most recent previous month. This type of trading data report only exists on this platform. Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't as volatile as other cryptocurrencies, So we wouldn't be taking full advantage of the profit potential the trader has. Because again, it's about which cryptocurrency is going up and down the most frequently and drastically. The more frequently and drastically the price moves creates the most potential for making profits with GoBabyTrade because, again, that's just how it makes money. And it actually generates the most profit when the market is extremely volatile, like we are in now, in the middle of this bull cycle. It generates the least amount of profit in sideways lulls like we were back in the summer of 2024. So it's the perfect time to get in and give it a go and see it in action for yourself. In fact, let's see it in action right now, and then we will walk through setting up the trader step by step to see how simple and straightforward the process is. Logging into our trading account, this is the dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a section that shows us the value of our Coinbase account, the total profits taken so far today, total profits taken over the past 30 days, total profits taken since we started using the trader, current profit saved, and the current price of Bitcoin. In the middle top section, here's our portfolio, and it consists of the cryptocurrencies we've decided to let the trader actively trade, which, like we discussed, are ideally cryptocurrencies with a lot of volatility, because again, its job is to generate profit from a lot of crazy price activity. Trading Bitcoin and Ethereum present less opportunities to generate profit than the smaller cap cryptocurrencies like AIOZ or Super, with more price swings. Sweet. Next to each cryptocurrency in our portfolio, from left to right, we see the currency, how much the price is moving today, the current price, the quantity we own, the total market value of what we own, open positions the trader has taken, positions the trader has closed, our overall total profits versus losses, and then buttons with options to manually add or close positions. So listen up, from my experience and after talking more with the creator, I do not recommend doing anything manual. Let GoBabyTrade algorithm robotically trade the crypto for you. And then in the bottom, middle section here, we see all of the filled orders. From left to right, we see each crypto, the action taken, whether opened or closed, the price, the quantity, the reason for the action, which can be that the profit goal was reached, or if all of the add to position rules in the algorithm were passed. And next to each reason an action was taken, if AI stepped in to enhance the outcome of the trade, we can see AI listed next to it in parentheses. Pretty neat. Then in the next column, we can see the profit loss, and then the day and time the trade executed. So just today, we can see how many actions the trader has taken and how much profit it has generated so far. And if we go to our Coinbase account and go to our portfolio, we can verify all of the trader's actions in our positions here. We can see our cash, our crypto holdings, the returns from each so far. And under the orders tab, we can see all of the trades, market orders, limit orders, buys, sells, everything that has taken place in our account, which we completely own and control. One of my favorite things about GoBabyTrade is this fun feature. Check it out. If we leave a tab open on our computer with our trader, throughout the day when it makes profit, we get a trade alert, which is the sound of, and it tells us exactly what it sold and the total profit. Definitely a nice touch. I didn't realize this happened, and the first time it did, the volume on my computer was high and it maybe jumped like, whoa, WTF was that? So on days when the market is crazy, we hear a lot more. So be mindful of your volume settings when leaving the tab open. Or if you prefer peace and quiet during the day, you can just close the tab, and every day you'll receive an email with a daily profits taken report, which is a summary of your account balance, today's profits taken, the past 30 days profits, year-to-date profits, profits saved, and a list of all the open and closed trades for the day. Great. Now let's quickly go step by step on how to set it up. It's super simple. Literally anyone can do it. First, if we haven't already, we need to sign up for a Coinbase account. And I highly suggest joining their Coinbase One plan because it comes with 0 trading fees, as well as boosted rewards where we can earn higher interest on the USDC in our account, literally making passive income on the USDC GoBabyTrade uses to trade to make us passive income. We get 24/7 priority service, protection of custody assets up to $100,000 from account takeovers, and much, much more. So make sure to sign up by using the link below to redeem any special offers they have for our community. Next, we need to deposit money into our Coinbase account. Note that GoBabyTrade uses USD and USDC for automatic trading, so we can either transfer funds from our bank account and convert it to USDC, or transfer USDC from another crypto wallet, exchange, etc. to fund our Coinbase account. I highly recommend using USDC to trade because with Coinbase, we can earn interest on the USDC, all while the trader is taking profit, which is awesome. Also, trading USDC, which is a cryptocurrency, between other cryptocurrencies can have some tax advantages. check with your accountant. And if you don't have a CPA that is an expert in cryptocurrency taxes, scroll down and use link below to book a free call with my accountant, Lorenzo. Cool. From there, on our GoBabyTrade account, in the top right-hand corner, hover over Menu and click Exchange Preferences. And under Trade Live, select the Use Coinbase Trading Account button. Note, we can also use Kraken Exchange, however, the trader only connects to one exchange or the other at a time. Coinbase has a much larger selection of cryptocurrencies. We can earn interest on our USDC, it has more liquidity, and with Coinbase One, the fees are great. We get higher APY on our USDC, it's just the right pick. Next, review the terms and conditions, then click Agree. And then click the button that says click to generate the required key. A set of instructions will pop up basically explaining that we need an API key name and private key from our Coinbase account to connect the trader. So step 1 is to log in to our Coinbase account. And from there, we can click on this link to generate our API key. On this screen, click Create API Key. And then in the API key nickname field, give the key a name so you can identify what it is. And then click this drop-down arrow to reveal more fields and options we need to configure. Going back to our trader account and scrolling down to see the rest of the instructions, for added security, we need to copy this IP address and paste it here into the IP whitelist field. Then we need to check the box here that says Trade, which allows the trader to execute trades on our behalf. Note that the trader only has the ability to view our account and execute trades. Do not click the box next to transfer, because we want to be the only ones with the ability to transfer funds to and from our Coinbase account. So what's great is we have complete control and ownership over the transfer of funds and assets in our Coinbase account. The trader only trades our funds and assets for us. Nice. Next, click the Create and Download button. And to ensure security, we are required to complete two-factor authentication. So click on the button and then enter the code from our Authenticator app, so Coinbase knows it's us creating this API key. Then a file with your key will automatically download. And from here on this screen, we are going to copy the API key name here, then go back to our trader account and paste it into the API key name field. Then go back to the trader to paste it into the private key field. Now click the Submit button, and here we can see it's connecting to Coinbase. And great, the trader is now successfully connected to Coinbase. From here, we can see our account value, and under the Max Funds to Live Trade With option, we can choose to use all available USDC or USDC to trade, or to only use a certain amount. Make a selection and click Save Investment Amount. Now our settings are saved. Sweet. Next, let's pick the cryptocurrencies we'd like the trader to trade for us. In the top right-hand corner, hover over Menu and click Select Currencies. On this screen, we can type in the ticker or acronym of the cryptocurrency, like AIOZ and Super, for example, and then choose the amount of funds we want to allocate to each, like 50-50, 60-40, whatever percentage we want the trader to use for each specific currency. Or if you're not sure which cryptocurrencies to select for the trader to trade, you can click this Default button to mirror the cryptocurrencies the creator has had success trading over the past few years. Click Save, and then basically, you're all set. The money printer fires up, and we're basically Jerome Papa Powell. So yes, it's been an interesting year testing this product out and getting to know the creator. This thing is a passion project he developed and has continued to work on now for about 24 years. And when factoring in his days at Microsoft, he has a combined 50 years worth of programming experience. With the help of AI and continuing to collect trading data, he's constantly honing the algorithm to make it better. So if it's something you're interested in, this is a higher price point product at $4,500 for a license. However, our community has an amazing deal using the link below, where we get a $1,000 discount for a 3-year license for GoBabyTrade. So it's only $3,500 for us. That comes out to only like $97 per month or $24 per week or like $3 per day. And like I said, something similar to your own personal money printer. Honestly, for what it does, it's absurdly cheap. After talking to the creator and learning more about the origins of the trader, it makes sense because, like I said, it's a passion project and it's helped a lot of people put in place a simple, straightforward investment strategy for passive income that works. So if you're like me, skeptical, want more information before making that kind of investment, they host webinars every week on Wednesdays, except for holidays, walking through every aspect of the trader, answering any and all questions we may have, and basically can provide all the information we would need to determine if this is something that makes sense for our unique financial situation. So if you'd like to sign up for the next webinar, scroll down and use link below to sign up. That way, if you do decide it's something you'd like to invest in, you get the $1,000 discount for a 3-year license. Either way, always remember, all forms of investing require us to assume some risk. Investing in crypto requires taking on a lot of risk. As we always discuss on the channel, one of the risks is keeping crypto on exchanges, which is obviously necessary if we want to add GoBabyTrade to our overall investment strategy. And here's the deal. Something like this should be a part of an overall strategy, not the main strategy. So we need to determine whether or not the risk of keeping some funds on an exchange for trading is worth the potential reward. At the end of the day, crypto is a zero-sum game where for every winner, there's a loser. So we are all competing against each other for the most part when it comes to altcoin trading, which again is why it's so important to take advantage of every opportunity to have an edge in this market. And this is a sharp, powerful edge in this crazy market during crazy times. Awesome. If you would like to learn about Uphold and how it is a way better option than banks and exchanges to store our US dollars and manage crypto, check out this video. If you would like to learn how to transfer your crypto off of exchanges step by step with Tangent Wallet, check out this video. And to get a 3-year license for GoBabyTrade at a $1,000 discount, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.